Hello, so my name is Rish Tiongson and I am from BSMT3B, and this is my video for our clinical chemistry didactics. So for today, I'm going to explain the question number 10, which is explain why sodium is decreased in diuretic use. So as we all know, in our renin, angiotensin, aldosterone system, or in our RAAS, when there is a sodium deficiency or dehydration in our body, our blood vessels and our blood pressure will drop. And because of that, there will be a decrease in our blood volume. And when there is a decrease in our volume and in our blood pressure as well, it triggers our juxtaglomerular cells into producing the renin. So the juxtaglomerular cells in our kidneys will produce renin, and increased production of renin will produce our angiotensin 1. So the renin, with the help of angiotensinogen, which is produced by the liver, will produce angiotensin 1, which is the inactive form of our angiotensin. And so that angiotensin 1 will circulate in our blood circulation, and it will end up in our lungs. So the lungs, we have a angiotensin converting enzyme there in our lungs, or our ACE, and that ACE will convert the angiotensin 1 into angiotensin 2. And after that, the angiotensin 2 is now our active form of angiotensin. And so that will be used into many ways. First is the vasoconstriction of our arterioles. Our efferent and afferent arterioles will vasodilate and vasoconstrict. And the next is in our adrenal cortex. It will produce the aldosterone with the help of our angiotensin 2. And that aldosterone will help in the kidneys in increasing our sodium and water reabsorption. This is because in our cells, particularly in our collecting duct, we have a hormone there that is called the antidiuretic hormone. So the antidiuretic hormone is responsible for our sodium reabsorption, and that is the one that helps in increasing our sodium in our body. And because of that, our blood volume and blood pressure will increase, and so our body will go into the normal state, or in our normal homeostasis. So when we drink when we intake diuretics, or our diuretics is a type of medicine that helps getting rid of salt and of water in our body. So what happens is that the sodium and the water will not be reabsorbed in our body, but it will be excreted instead with the use of our diuretics. And the sodium helps also remove water in our blood, which helps people with high blood pressure to lower down their blood pressure. Because as the saying goes, where sodium goes, the water follows. So I think that would be all. That is the reason why our sodium is decreased in our diuretic use. Thank you.